Okay, welcome to the first, and what I hope will be many, vignettes on developmental mathematics. Now you may be wondering why Dr. Crusher, which is not from Star Trek, has on these gloves. Because it's Crusher with a K. We're going to be crushing your math fears, your math concerns. That's the K in Crusher. It's not a Star Trek show. Okay, all you're going to need in any of these vignettes as we move forward is have certain things memorized. Your times table. You should know your 12 times table. Beyond that, everything else is going to be taught in a fun, I hope, way. All right, let's get started. We're going to do something very simple today. If I can just get these gloves off. There we go. You'll see on the board, if my lovely assistant can point towards the board, a multiplication problem. Looks very hard. 4327, that's 4,327, times 2854. Also notice that I'm using parentheses for multiplication. You should be aware of that in developmental mathematics, we tend to use parentheses to indicate multiplication. What I want to do is just estimate this. Just get a sense of what the answer is. To do that, we're going to use what some people call front-end rounding. Don't worry about it, it's a stupid name. All we got to do is make sure that the first number is not 0. All the other numbers are going to be 0. All right? And it's no big deal if you don't round correctly either. Right? But if we're going to round, that's a 3. So we're going to round this down to 4,000. And that's an 8, so we'll round it up to 3,000. Again, no big deal if you don't round it correctly. Okay, now all we got to do is the first numbers. What's 4 times 3? My lovely assistant will answer it. She whispered, it's 12. Very good, lovely assistant. 12. Now, we're not going to multiply anymore. We're going to count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even put in a comma. So our answer is around 12 million. Okay? An estimate of that answer is around 12 million. You can take your calculators at home and see how close we are. And maybe you'll let me know in the next developmental vignette with Dr. Crusher. My lovely assistant will now stop the video.